How to close delete Indeed account permanently. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to close delete Indeed account permanently. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Indeed application on your device. Here tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Under Settings, tap on the Privacy Settings option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down until you see the Accessing and Deleting My tab. Under this tab, as you can see, Indeed offers all of its users rights to access and delete their data as detailed in your Personal Data Rights section. So to access or delete your data held by Indeed, just fill out this form. So go ahead and tap on the form hyperlink and fill out the given form. Start by selecting if you want a copy of your personal data or delete your personal data. Next, make sure the Indeed checkbox is selected. Now go ahead and enter your contact details, that is, your email address or your phone number, and further select if you are making this request for yourself or on behalf of someone else, and finally tap on the Submit Request button. And with this, your deletion request has been submitted. You will receive an email in the email address you entered previously. So go ahead and open the email. Here, scroll down and tap on the Confirm Request button. You will further be led to a browser and your data request will be confirmed. So this is how you can close delete Indeed account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.